This video is about how to use your personal social media channels professionally.
But why should I even use Twitter?
Twitter is about having a conversation. It's about real time. You can get live news updates. You can follow what an organization is doing online in real time. You can even see what the highlights are at an event without even having to be there.
It can also be used as a great networking tool to connect with others who work on the same subjects as you. And also it's a great way to be remembered after events.
Yes, it's a really simple way to position yourself as an expert. So you can actually jump into a conversation when something about your area of expertise is being spoken about and just make sure that your name pops up there every time.
When you're at an event, for example, you can take the conversation from stage to your Twitter account, tweet about it, to let the speaker know that you're interested and that you understood what they were talking about.